Hello everyone, my name is Ariff Azrael and I'm an analyst at Golden Brokers. Today I'm going to give you an overview of one of the largest energy companies, ExxonMobil. Join me as I take you through the history, operations and achievements of this global giant in the energy industry. ExxonMobil is one of the largest oil and gas companies in the world today, but its roots go back over a century. In 1882, John D. Rockefeller founded the Standard Oil Company. Standard Oil dominated the oil industry in the United States and eventually controlled nearly 90% of all oil production in the country. However, in 1911, the Supreme Court declared Standard Oil to be a monopoly and ordered it to be broken up into smaller companies. One of these smaller companies was Standard Oil of New Jersey, which later became known as Exxon Corporation. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, Exxon Corporation became a leader in the oil industry and expanded into new markets around the world. In 1999, Exxon Corporation merged with Mobil Oil Corporation, which was Standard Oil of New York, to form ExxonMobil. The merger created one of the largest oil and gas companies in the world, with operations in more than 50 countries. Today, ExxonMobil continues to be a major player in the global energy market, producing and selling a wide range of energy products from gasoline to natural gas. ExxonMobil current CEO is Darren Woods, who has been in the position since 2017, but with the company for more than 30 years in leadership positions. The company is worth an estimated net value of 476 billion in 2022. ExxonMobil continues to be a major player in the global energy market, supplying energy products to countries all over the world. Despite facing numerous challenges over the years, ExxonMobil remained one of the largest and most influential companies in the world. When it comes to performance, Exxon's stock has seen significant growth in the past 2 years since economic reopening after demand crunch from COVID, with 136.02% gain, which is rarely seen for blue chip. 5-year and 3-year performance stand at a relative 47.69% and 82.07% respectively, signifying recent explosive growth of the company at a higher rate than S&P at 57.69% and 24.14% for the same period. Year to date, the company gained 1.47% after a profitable 2022 at 80.11% from opening to closing date. Overall, ExxonMobil grew faster than market average growth rate. ExxonMobil delivered outstanding results in the fourth quarter of 2022, leading the industry in earnings, cash flow from operation, total shareholder value, and return on capital employed. The company generated earnings of 55.7 billion and 76.8 billion of cash flow from operating activities in 2022. This was achieved through leveraging an advantaged portfolio and delivering strong operational performance. ExxonMobil's production increased significantly in Guyana and Permian, with over 30% year-over-year growth. In addition, the company achieved its best ever annual refining throughput in North America and the highest globally since 2012. Its Permian assets also achieved zero routine flaring as of year-end 2022. ExxonMobil has started one of the largest advanced recycling facilities in North America, which is capable of processing more than 80 million pounds of plastic waste per year. Overall, this result demonstrates ExxonMobil's commitment to sustainable growth and operational excellence. The company continues to drive strong performance and deliver value for its shareholders. From a fundamental standpoint, ExxonMobil has seen consistent growth in the last 5 years, reporting 55.74 billion net income in 2022, up from a negative net income in 2020. Asset increased to 369.07 billion and liabilities only increased slightly, resulting in a decreasing debt to asset ratio. Revenue increased to 413.68 billion and profit margin improved to 13.47%. Free cash flow was generally positive with 62.06 billion in 2022. ExxonMobil has adapted to changing conditions while generating cash to support growth, but should monitor its debt level and continue to be cautious in its financial management. From a technical standpoint, the price of ExxonMobil's stock showed remarkable performance in 2022, especially in the last quarter of the year. Despite a temporary dip in the end of November and early December due to a drop in oil prices, the stock recovered and reached an important price level. The Fibonacci retracement suggests that the price must break above its new resistance level at 117.76 before it can continue its uptrend. However, the target price is considered unrealistic in the short term. The technical indicators for the company present a mixed outlook for investment, with some suggesting a neutral position, others a sell, and some a buy. It is advised to wait for a clearer trend to emerge before making an investment decision. The moving average also shows a mixed picture, indicating a sell for shorter term and a buy for longer term averages. As an analyst, I believe that ExxonMobil is a strong and attractive investment opportunity for those looking for stability and growth. With its high dividend yield, low beta, and impressive financial performance, ExxonMobil is sure to provide long-term benefit for investors. Additionally, the company's industry-leading earnings, cash flow, and returns, as well as its production growth of high-quality oil in Guyana and Permian, make it a smart choice for energy portfolios. Top management under CEO Darren Wood's ongoing dedication in recognizing green technology and incentivizing transition efforts demonstrates their experience and commitment. However, it's important to keep in mind that the stock can be impacted by various factors such as the fluctuation of oil prices and geopolitical events. So it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider personal financial goals before making any investment decision. Overall, I am very confident that ExxonMobil will continue to offer a positive outlook for the future and provide solid return to investors. Thank you for watching. This has been Golden Brokers, and always be warned that CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. You should consider whether you understand how CFDs work and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money.